Good morning, it's Thursday, January the 22nd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got another great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 4 great press releases to report on. 3 from the Canadian side, 1 from the US side, and at this time I've got no halts to report on, but before the show is out, that could change. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes from a company called Star Navigation. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol SNA. The company is announcing a further sale of their ISMS light systems to Skylink Aviation to provide flight tracking, asset management, two-way data voice communications, and backup emergency SOS distress capabilities. A little bit about Skylink, the client in this case. They're an international aviation group that specializes in project management, air charters, aviation support, aircraft maintenance, air courier executive air charters, as well as flight planning and clearance services. They specialize in major disasters, wars, international humanitarian aid. So these guys are all over the globe. Now, so far this brings the total up to 23 ISMS TerraStar light units, 21 of which have been delivered and 16 of which are installed and operational. Now, a little bit about Star Navigation. They own the exclusive worldwide license to its proprietary patented in-flight safety monitoring system, the first system in the world to feature in-flight data analysis, monitoring, and diagnostics with a real-time connection between aircraft and ground. Company's last at 9 cents, 52-week high of 26 cents, low of 3 cents, and a market cap of approximately $9 million. Moving on to Richmond Mines, they trade on the TSX under the symbol RIC. The company is reporting on gold sales, which have more than doubled to 22,000 ounces in the fourth quarter. Now they're saying quarterly gold sales for the fourth quarter are 22,116 ounces. Total gold sales in 2008 were 71,000 ounces, with total production reaching 73,500 ounces. The company has a very strong balance sheet. As of December 31st, 2008, they've got approximately $26 million in the bank with no long-term debt and 26 million shares outstanding. So it looks like $1 in market cap value is cash value. Now, during the fourth quarter of 2008, they sold 22,000 ounces of gold, which was more than double of their 11,000 ounces of gold sold in the fourth quarter of 2007. A little bit about Richmond Mines. They produce gold from its operations in Canada and has extensive experience in gold exploration, development, and mining since it began production in '91. Company's last at $2.45, 52-week high of $4.20, 52-week low of $1.21. And as I'd mentioned, they've got approximately 26 million shares outstanding, and they've got a market cap of approximately $58 million. And as I had mentioned, they've got $26 million in the bank. Moving on to PC Gold, they trade on the TSX under the symbol PKL. The company is reporting assay results from a further 11 of a total of 29 diamond drill holes from their recently concluded Phase 1 diamond drill program at the past-producing Pickle Crow gold mine, which is located in northwestern Ontario. Highlights from the program include hole number 20, which returned 3 separate zones of intersections of gold. We've got 3.9 meters containing 17.4 grams per ton of gold. We've got a second zone that returned 13.5 meters of 4 grams per ton of gold. And we've got a third zone that returned 5.3 meters of 5 grams per ton of gold. A little bit about the company. They're a focused gold junior owning 100% of the past producing Pickle Crow gold mine property in northwestern Ontario. Company's last at 33, 52-week high of $1.25, low of 11 cents, and a market cap of approximately $8.5 million. Now, moving over to the U.S. side, I've got a company called China Runji Cement. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol CRJI, and you guessed it, they are a Chinese company. They've announced that they've secured a new buyer of cement following the execution of a contract worth $2.26 million. This represents 6% of the company's annual cement production in 2008. And the contract is to take place over a 12-month period. A little bit about the company. China Runji is one of the leading cement production distribution companies in China. They're last at 60 cents, 52-week high of 210, 52-week low of 20 cents, and a market cap of approximately $30 million. No halts to report on, as I had mentioned. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure to tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.